gagawa tayo ng Swedish type of pancake or yung tinatawag nilang crepe. 1 cup of flour. Make sure that the flour is non-bleached and it's non-rising flour. Also have 3 pieces of eggs, butter, 2 cups of milk, and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. Sama-samahin lang natin yung ingredients and ito na yung ating mixture. Ito yung kinalabasan pag pinagsama-sama natin lahat ng ingredients. Kailanganin din natin ng non-stick pan and then pwede natin siyang i-spray ng butter. Yung gumamit ng butter o kaya naman ng cooking oil. So tara, gawa na tayo ng pancake. Maglalagay tayo ng mga 1/4 cup ng mixture sa ating pan. And then, i-spread lang natin siya. So, compare sa regular na pancake, mas manipis yung ating tinatawag na Swedish pancake. At saka mas ano siya sa crepe. Mas malambot. So we can put some toppings like strawberries, we'll put some cream, we'll drizzle with a little bit of syrup or maple syrup. And a little bit more of whipped cream on the top. You could also put like Nutella on your crepe and then put some berries. We're also using Algensen's wild organic Swedish lingo berries. Putting some maple. Johnson-inspired pancake. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all again next time for another vlog.